Some people believe that football is a matter of life and death. I am totally disappointed with this attitude. Football is not a matter of life and death. It is much, much more higher than that. These famous lines were said by the legendary Liverpool manager Shankly. It shows that football is deeply rooted in the human DNA and it is not considered as a sport but a religion. The largest organization in the world, it outnumbers the United Nations, which has 193 countries on its roll, and FIFA, the World Football Authority, has got more than 210 nations under its fold. It shows that every person on the earth is involved as a fan, as a player, as a coach in this great sport. It is undisputedly the most popular sport, and FIFA World Cup is the most seen sporting event in the world. It outnumbers the even the Olympics. It has a fan base of 4.1 billion, that is almost half the population of the world. The 2018 World Cup final match played between France and Croatia was seen by 112 crores people over the world. The inbuilt mechanism or the natural instinct of human race to kick anything or any object that comes on his feet. This is the basic instinct why football is so popular around the globe. In the 2014 World Cup that was going on, some international space astronauts also played football over there to show that football can be played in zero gravity. The legendary football player Pele had once said, I have learned the great lessons of life with football at my feet. The legendary Italian player Pirlo has once said that football is played with head. Your legs and feet are just the tools. Interesting facts about the soccer and football World Cup. The Giraud Stadium in Brazil is uniquely positioned. Its central line perfectly aligns the hemisphere. It means the competing teams are always on the other sides of the hemisphere. The first red card, the fastest red card was issued within 2 seconds of the start of the game when the referee blew the whistle and one of the players taunted the referee about the sound of the whistle, and he was immediately shown the red card even before the start of the match. The fastest goal scored was within 1.7 seconds. That sounds astonishingly. In 1986 World Cup, the match between Argentina and England drew much attention of the world and had high tensions. It was played in the sidelines of the Falkland War that was between these two countries. Maradona scored a hand-off goal in that famous match also, and referee couldn't notice his hand coming into the play while scoring the goal, and it was later awarded, and later it was too much criticized in the Western media. 4 minutes after that hand-off goal came the feet of God goal by Maradona, which is considered as the goal of the century by FIFA. 2014 World Cup final played between Argentina and Germany in Brazil. The goal was heading for a goalless draw. Suddenly, the German coach turned towards his extra player, Goetze, and said these famous words to him. Come on, Goetze, go to the middle and show to the world that you are better than Messi and can decide the World Cup. The young man in his early 20s who was warming the bench till now stood tall, rose to the occasion, and scored a spectacular goal in the 113th minute of the match to give Germans their World Cup. The whole of German erupted with joy. This instance is oftenly used by motivational speakers and corporate trainers in their training. I also use this phrase in my corporate training sessions around the renowned corporate houses. We can fittingly conclude with the transcribed words of Victor Hugo, the legendary commentator, football journalist, and broadcaster who was doing live commentary on air and who described the goal by Maradona, which was rated by FIFA as the goal of the century. The half line dribble past the whole of the defense of England and the goalkeeper was voted by the FIFA as the goal of the century. How Victor Hugo described it: Maradona has the ball, two defenders mark him. Maradona touches the ball. The genius of the word soccer dashes to the right and leaves the third one behind. He is going to pass it to Burshaga. No, genius, genius, genius. There, 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 goal. I want to cry. Dear God, long live football. What a goal. Diego Armando Maradona. It is a tear in my throat, a cry for football. Cosmic kite, from what planet did you come to leave so many Englishmen behind? Thank you, God, for football, for Maradona, for these tears. Argentina 2, England